I didn't really have a beautiful childhood. I was growing up when the things started. It was really hard to be like happy and walk down the street being safe and something like that. So sometimes we hear gunshots and explosions when we are in home. So it's really scary for us to go up to the street and so like live a normal life. I lost the teenage life. This part of my life already gone. I can't have it anymore. I hope it will end fast, but I don't know what the future holds for us. And I hope that I will feel happy again, and I will find some things of my dreams are possible to make here in my country. And I have hope in humanity as well.